Today I'll show you how to install a rear outlet two-piece toilet with a macerator pump, from unpacking to the first flush. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpack and inspect. Unpack and check parts. Unpack everything and verify all components are present. Check that the pump, toilet bowl, tank, brackets, bolts, and all seals are included. Step 2. Prepare macerator pump base. Flip the macerator pump upside down and attach the floor mounting brackets with the supplied screws. Attach brackets, mark mounting holes on floor. Step 3. Position and mount pump. Move the pump to its installation location, mark the holes, drill small pilot holes, then secure the pump with number 8 Phillips panhead screws. Drill, insert screws, tighten. Step 4. Connect water inlet. Connect a flexible hose to the water inlet and secure with clamps. This can be tied to a sink or shower supply. Seal any unused inlet ports with the supplied stopper plug. Fit hose, tighten clamp, show stopper plug inserted. Step 5. Connect discharge elbow. Attach the discharge elbow to the pump's sewage outlet. It accepts 1/4 or 1.5 inch PVC. Secure with clamps and test fit to your discharge piping. Fit elbow, clamp, show PVC alignment. Detail of elbow and clamp. Step 6. Odor control and venting. The pump includes activated carbon for odor control. Install it where indicated. If you prefer, connect a ventilation duct to exhaust odors outside. Ensure every inlet is either connected or sealed. Step 7. Choose extension pipe. Select the appropriate extension pipes for your layout and connect them to the discharge as needed. Step 8. Set toilet bowl location and mark. Position the toilet bowl where it will sit. Based on the bowl's position, mark mounting points on each side. Move bowl aside after marking. Step 9. Measure and extend marks. Measure the thickness of each side of the bowl with a ruler. Extend your marks outward by 1 9/16 inches to accommodate the mounting brackets. Measure and draw extended lines. Step 10. Position brackets and drill holes. Place the white brackets over your extended marks to confirm drill locations, then drill the 2 anchor holes. Drill, hammer in anchors. Step 11. Secure brackets. Reposition the brackets over the anchors, add the washers, and tighten the screws securely. This keeps the toilet stable. Install screws and washers. Step 12. Mount tank to bowl. Insert the tank bolts with cone washers through the tank bottom into the bowl. From the underside, add metal washers and nuts, then hand tighten. Bolt insertion and nut tightening. Step 13. Install gasket and final tank fasten. Install the rubber gasket onto the bowl and lower the tank into place. From below, place the rubber washer, metal washer, and wing nut, tightening by hand first. Step 14. Install flush lever and chain. Insert the flush lever into the left hole of the tank, secure with the rubber washer and plastic nut. Then connect the flapper chain to the lever arm. Test the lever movement. Step 15. Connect toilet to pump. Connect the toilet outlet to the macerator pump and secure the clamp so there are no leaks. Fit and tighten clamp, verify alignment. Step 16. Install water supply. Install the water supply line, not included with the kit. Connect to the tank fill valve and turn on the shutoff valve. Connect supply, check for leaks. Step 17. Secure seat and cover. Insert the seat bolts into the bowl, tighten them with a drill or screwdriver. Adjust for fit, then cover the bolt caps. Fit seat, tighten, snap caps on. Step 18. Final pump wiring and tests. Plug the macerator pump into a GFCI outlet and restore water. Operate a test flush and check every connection for leaks. Always follow local plumbing codes and use a GFCI for the pump. If this helped, hit subscribe and drop any questions below. I'll walk you through them.